Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Before we get into this video, I want to leave you with this quote that's been sitting on my heart. God makes no mistakes. We are where we're supposed to be at the time that we're supposed to be at. Period. And that's it. So now let's get into this video. Okay, so I purchased this hair off of Amazon. This is from the company HLSK Hair. I got her in 14 inches. I paid about $35, but right now she has like I think there's like 30% off. I keep saying she like if it's a wig. No, this is a human hair extensions. So I have been rocking my hair in these twists for about 2 months now. And the hair that I usually use is like the outre synthetic kinky afro hair. And it's really harsh. It looks good, but it's not as soft as this hair is. So I like the way it looks, but I hate the way it feels. So I decided to go about getting human hair. Now my thought process is I'm going to maybe turn these into dreads. I'm not too sure. But as of right now, I want it to be small and flat so that I can actually wear my wigs underneath. I mean, I can wear my wigs on top and not have any issues. So I had already braided my hair. The only thing is I left a part up front that I did not braid, and I had these braids in already for 3 weeks and I didn't braid that middle part. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Life is life and something serious right about now, and I just didn't have the time. So, and this took me about 3 hours, I want to say, to do. So yeah, I didn't have enough time. So now what I'm going to do is actually braid my hair with you guys so you can see the process of what I did to actually achieve this hairstyle. Now, this is not fancy. This is not Met Gala type of whatchamacallit. This is just an everyday me going to my 9 to 5 to get that shmoney and not look crazy underneath my wig type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I want to look presentable. So these twists actually help me achieve that goal. So right here, I'm just sectioning off my hair. I am actually going to grease up my scalp because it's feeling kind of dry. So I'm using Blue Magic and Carol's Daughter to go in my house anyway. That Blue Magic be hitting. And just to like moisturize my hair before I twist it. Again, this hair is actually really soft. Like, oh my gosh, like it's so soft. I love the way it feels, the texture of it. It's not like, it doesn't really shed that bad or anything like that either. It's really nice. I really like it. And I like the way my hair looks too. And it doesn't because it doesn't feel rough. It feels nice and soft. And I feel like, I don't know, I might just keep these and just dread them up. I'm not too sure yet because I say it and I keep seeing that the hair is on sale. And I'm like, maybe I should buy another pack. Mind you, to accomplish this look, I only used 1 pack of hair. I probably should have gotten 2 if I wanted to make it look a little bit more thicker. And then the braids more smaller. But this is what I wanted to do. So this is the outcome of that. So the braiding method that I'm actually doing is like the knotless braids. I'm actually braiding my hair first and then adding on the hair. One, because I wanted to give it some length. The last time I tried to do it like this and I just used the hair, I braided, I didn't do the knotless method. There was a lot of short pieces, long pieces. It just didn't look even. So I tried to do it this way to make it look a little bit more even. I accomplished it a little bit. I did something with it. Guys, I'm not a professional. This is just me trying to get my hair done and have my hair looking like something instead of nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video. As you can see, I'm just adding on the hair and just braiding and then twisting it the rest of the way. So yeah, meet me at the end of this video. I will say one thing before I get to this end of this video, because I know I'm probably going to get a lot of comments on this. The gray hairs in front of my hair is outrageous. It's literally outrageous. I've gone about trying to dye my hair myself, and it just keeps growing back and just growing back and growing back, and I have no control over it. So in my head, I'm just going to let my whole hair go gray. I'm going to try the silver fox thing and see how that works out. Unfortunately, this company in this hair, the color is a 1B, I think. And they don't have any grays, which sucks, because I would have just added some grays in here, and I think that I would have set it off. So I might go about looking for another brand to see if they might have gray hairs. And then I'm just going to start implementing some more grays into my actual hair, because, folks, I'm done. I am trying to... I'm trying to stay young. I'm stressed over here, yo. I'm stressed, as you can see from my grays. I am stressed. But dyeing it doesn't help either. And it actually makes me feel kind of sick when I even try to dye it. So I'm done. I'm done with all that perming my hair, dyeing my hair. It's a wrap. So this might be the style, I don't know, my hair until like I can probably get to a professional and have them do something with my hair. I don't know about you, but for me, having to pay for someone to do this right here might have looked a little bit better, but this right here might have cost me like $200 to $300 and hours. Instead, it just cost me hours and no money. Well, $35. So yeah, you do the math. Alright folks, so this is the end result. I slicked her back with some gel. I think she's pretty cute. She's decent for every day. And even if you know, going out or something like that, she's cute. Again, if you want her to look fuller, you'll buy more hair and then make the braids a little bit smaller. But she's adorable. I love this hairstyle and I will probably continue to rock her until the end of this year. But listen, if you happen to like what you see in this video, and let's say you want to see more natural styles on me, you want me to braid more hair or do anything natural or do more protective hairstyles, let me know in the comments below what you think. Should I, shouldn't I, and all that jazz. Alright folks, see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.